Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Brute Force 300 quad, automatic transmission, reverse gear, electric start. Come on by and make your mid-weight quad dreams come true for just $49.99. This thing is in really fantastic condition. Most quads like this are pretty beat up by the time they're 4 or 5 years old. This one's just like a brand new one almost. Come on by. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. This is a 2-wheel drive quad. Put a little towing hitch on the back if you like. It's got the rack standard. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.